Hello, Mr. Carlone. This is Paul. I wanted to show you the decks of your barrelback. We've got them prepped for the first 5 coats of maintenance coats. So wanted to show you that. That's between 1 and 2 days of sanding. 1 and 2 man days of sanding. We have all the cracks stabilized, and the really bad cracks, we actually stop drilled them on each end so that they wouldn't continue to crack. Actually, there's one really bad crack, and that was on the deck. Stop drilled on each end so that it would not, and plugged so that it would not extend past where it is now. We'll be doing some color touch-ups here, and then we'll be putting to blend that color in and make sure that we don't have this little bright streak. And then we'll be putting the varnish coats on. We'll do 5 coats of varnish coats, and then we will, after those 5 coats, we will sand again for flatness, and then we'll do a final coat, and then we'll straighten these lines out by sanding. Number 1, smooth them out by sanding, and then of course we'll tape them off to make them very straight. So anyhow, I just wanted to show you the progress. And oh yeah, we also confirmed that the engine number is the correct number. The serial numbers on the engine and the serial numbers on the boats are actually 2 different things. So when you hear matching numbers, the hull number won't be on the engine and the engine number won't be on the hull. But we got the original hull card from the factory, and the engine number that's in there, I think it's 22609 or 906. I can't remember exactly what it is, but that is the original engine according to the hull card. And I'll see if I can find what we did with the hull card and send that to you so you can see for yourself on the hull card what the deal is. So let's see, where else was I going? I wanted to look at ceiling boards. They are probably in here in the woodworking area. I hope so. See if we can find those so you can see the progress on those. We had to just take them out. Yeah, we had to take them out because they were really badly cut. So we're working on getting them straightened out, and we're also getting them reinforced on the backside with some plywood, some marine plywood. So, and it turned out both of them were kind of bad. And of course, it's disappointing. There was a frame back here. They could have put some more screws in and avoided that. But once they buckled and cracked, there was, that's too late to put the screws in. So we're getting them straightened out as we go. Anyway, just wanted to show you that, and we'll talk to you soon.